Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a nice, gentle, calming sunset flow for you. This one's perfect for beginners or for anyone that wants a little bit more of a relaxing flow and just go back to the basics. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab a mat and let's get started. We're going to start on our backs, head resting, back of the neck long, shoulders down against the mat, knees bent, feet hip distance. Coming into your neutral spine, feel free to do a few pelvic tilts here to find it. Just getting a little bit of space under your low back. Then engage your core, thinking of your two front hip bones being zipped together. Exhale, lift your right leg up to tabletop. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift the left leg, making sure you keep that lower abdomen drawing in, still maintaining that space under your spine. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift the right. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift the left. Inhale, lower. Gentle movements of the leg. Floating up and making sure it's a nice smooth movement on the way down, softly landing to the floor rather than just dropping. Keep breathing. Last two. Last one on each side. Very nice. Keeping the legs hip distance, bring your hands behind your head, interlace your fingers, and bring the thumbs down the back of the neck. Chin tucked, back of the neck still long, elbows wide. Inhale to prepare, make sure you still have your neutral spine. And then exhale, lift your chest up and over to your left side. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, lift to center. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift to your right, bringing left ribs to right pelvis. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift back to your middle. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift left. Inhale, lower. Exhale, middle. Inhale, lower. Exhale, right. Inhale, lower. Keep moving here. Going side to side with the middle abdo prep in the middle. Moving with your breath and maintaining that neutral spine. So think of this movement really coming from your center. And lower down. Very nice. Bring your hands by your sides. Palms to the floor, shoulders wide. Exhale, lift your right leg to tabletop. Inhale, extend the leg long, maintaining your neutral spine. Exhale, draw the knee back into chest. And inhale, lower. Exhale, lift the left leg. Inhale, extend, making sure not to lift your right side pelvis. Bending back in and lowering down. Exhale, lift the right. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift the left. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lower. Alternating sides. And again, maintaining that neutral pelvis and the length through your leg when you extend. Last one on each side. And lower the left foot down. Very nice. Reset your shoulders, make sure you still have space in your collarbone. Then exhale, lift your hips straight up into a bridge. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Lower. Lift. Lower. Moving your hips up and down. Just a slight pause at the bottom before you squeeze your glutes, lift back up. Pushing into your hands if you need a bit of extra stability. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the hips down. Bring your right leg to tabletop, followed by your left, and bring your arms up to the sky. Just holding your tabletop here, make sure you're still engaging through your lower abdomen, pulling that skin away from your pant line. Shoulders relaxed into the mat. A little bit of space under your back of the neck long. Keep that stability. As you inhale, extend your right arm overhead as you lower your left toes to the floor. Exhale, bring arm and leg back to center. Other side. Inhale, right foot taps the floor as your left arm goes overhead. Exhale, back to center. Right arm, left leg. Center. Left arm, right leg. Center. Keep moving here. Opposite arm and leg. Trying not to arch your back as you lower the foot and raise the arm. The closer you bring that foot to you on the floor, the less challenging this will be on the back. One more on each side. And coming back to tabletop, hold for just a second, and then lower the arms down, lower the feet down. Now roll over onto your right side, resting your head in your hands, or on your outstretched arm if that's more comfortable. Feel free to use any pillows or blocks as well if you need. Bring your shins to the front of the mat, knees 90 degrees, hips 90 degrees. Create a little bit of space under your underneath waist. Reach your top left arm in front of you, fingertips to the floor. Squeeze your heels together. Then inhale, lift your knee, lift your arm, rotating at your hip. Exhale, release down. Inhale, open. Exhale, release. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Coming into a clam variation with your arm lift. Last two. Really squeezing those heels together. Lower down. Then lift the leg up, hovering over the right. Lift your left hand off the floor, just hovering that arm. Then inhale, extend the arm overhead as you slide that left leg back, bringing it in line with your body. Exhale, bring knee back to hand to center. Inhale, arm overhead, leg goes back. Keep moving here, making sure to keep your knee bent. Left leg in line with your left hip, not letting that ankle drop. Last two. Really reach on that inhale. Then reach that left arm overhead, extend your left leg in line with your body, nice long line, and flex your left foot and point. Flex, point, flex, point, just getting a bit more into the ankle here. Last two. Hold the leg lifted and then lower down, bringing the arm back in front of you. Go ahead and push yourself up to a seated position. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, and exhale, twist over to your left. Grabbing hold of your left knee, staying tall through your spine. Inhale back to center, arms up. And exhale, rotating over to your right, grabbing hold of your right knee. Just gently propping yourself up with your right fingertips. And then come back to center. And make your way over onto your left side. Head in your hands or outstretched arm if that's more comfortable. Bring your top right arm in front, create a bit of space under your left waist, and bring your shins to the front of the mat. Knees 90 degrees, hips 90 degrees. Squeeze your heels together. Inhale, lift the right knee as you lift the right arm to the sky. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Keep moving here. Squeezing the heels together. Lifting the right knee as much as you can without rolling back on your hips. Last two. And then lift that right arm off the floor, just hovering. Lift your right leg, just hovering off the left. Inhale, extend your right arm overhead as the right thigh goes back in line with your body. Exhale, arm and leg back to center. And inhale, reach. Getting a nice stretch. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, reach, keeping that right leg bent. Exhale, center. Inhale, reach. Keep moving with your breath here. Trying not to roll on your pelvis. Option to lower the hand if you need more stability. Last one. And then extend that right arm overhead. Extend your right leg long in line with your body. Flex your foot and point. Flex, point, flex, point. Keep moving. Just a bit of ankle mobility while you get a nice stretch through your side. Last two. And then lower the right leg down. And from here, make your way onto your stomach. With your legs straight, reaching long. Hands out into a cactus position, 90 degrees at the shoulders and the elbows. Make sure you still have your neutral spine here. So you should feel equal pressure between the pubic bone and the frontal hip bones. Now inhale, push your arms into the floor as you hover the head off the mat, keeping your gaze down, back of the neck long. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Keep moving here. Imagine you have a laser beam on your forehead, and that laser beam is touching the same spot on the mat the whole time. Last one, lift the head, hold, and then lift your arms, lower, lift, lower, just 3 more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, lift, exhale, lower. Last one, lift, hold, then straighten your arms, bring them back by your hips, palms in, and pulse the arms in here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Lower the chest down, bring your hands back under your shoulders, and then push yourself back into a child's pose. Arms reaching long, hips resting on your heels. Feel free to add a few pillows under your ankles and between your hips and heels if this position feels too tight for you. And just breathe into this pose. And when you're ready, go ahead and roll up to a high kneeling position. Hips directly over the knees, pelvis slightly tucked. Then inhale, reach your right arm up and over as you grab hold of your left waist. Then exhale, bring that right arm back to your right side and slide it down your right leg. Inhale, bring the right arm up and over, still holding your waist. Exhale, back down your right side. One more. Inhale, up and over. Exhale, back down your right side. And then switching sides. Inhale, left arm goes up and over as you grab hold of your left waist with your right hand. And then exhale, left hand goes down your left side. Inhale, reaching up and over. Exhale, left hand slides down left leg. Last one, reach. And coming back, slide down your leg. And come back to center. Tuck your toes under. Bring your hands to the floor. Lift your knees up. Lift your hips up to the sky and then roll up to stand, one vertebra at a time. Starting at the low back, making your way all the way up to the neck, and head is the last thing to come up. Check that your feet are hip distance. Then inhale, reach your arms forwards and up to the sky, coming up onto your toes. And exhale, drop the toes as you roll down, chest falling over your thighs. Take a breath in here. And then exhale, roll back up, one vertebra at a time. Inhale, reach your arms forwards, overhead, coming up onto your toes. Exhale, drop the heels, roll down. Inhale at the bottom. We'll do one more. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, lift your heels up as your arms reach to the sky. Exhale, heels lower, arms go to the floor as you roll over. Bending your knees as much as you need to. Inhale here. And just hold here for a second, really letting the head go. Gentle nod, yes. Gentle shake, no. And on your next exhale, roll yourself back up to stand. Soften your gaze forward, roll your shoulders back, and you're all done. I hope you've enjoyed this gentle flow. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below if you'd like more videos like this. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in the next one.